Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and actions, and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay guys? So let's see first your person current feelings towards you. Virgo. This is monthly reading and this is for February month. Virgo, your person current feelings. Queen of Cups, Four of Swords, okay, two cards, okay, Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles. Under the deck, the Devil. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. There is some obsession in this connection right now. Maybe your person is obsessively thinking about you. They're addicted to you. See the strong bond between both of you. There is some addiction or there is some obsession which causes a lot of resistance in this connection for some. So let's see your reading. Right now, for some, you both are in no contact situation. Your person is not talking to you right now because Four of Swords energy is here. They're undergoing some healing and meditation. Maybe they have some past hurts. That's why they're not talking to you right now, because they're doing some meditation and healing, but they're thinking about you a lot because Queen of Cups energy is here. And they have emotions for you and they have love for you, Virgo, because Queen of Cups and your person thinking about you. You are very giving and caring person and you are very nurturing person. And they too also have strong emotions for you, Virgo. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, even though they are not talking to you, but they're thinking about you a lot. And then Wheel of Fortune with King of Pentacles. Definitely there is divine timing plays key role in this connection. Your person may be waiting for the right time to approach you. They're ready to offer this stability to this connection. They're thinking about to offer stability, King of Pentacles. Maybe your person is financially stable and abundant. And Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Maybe in past your person in and out of your life there is no stability. Your person is non-committal to you. But now after this period, Four of Swords transformation, then they really want to come towards you and offer this stability, but waiting for the right time. Yeah, things are turning out in their favor and waiting for their favor. Things are turning out. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But there is some obsession is here because the Devil is under the deck. The Devil. Maybe your person is very dominative for some. There is no commitment, the type of energy. But after the transformation, they decided to work on this relationship and they decided to offer long-term commitment. They're thinking about their current feelings towards you. They're thinking about you very positively and they're waiting for the right time to approach you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo. Yeah, right now Hanged Man, your pose. Again Queen of Cups. Eight of Swords. Yeah, they're stuck. Definitely they're stuck and thinking about you a lot. And Four of Pentacles. Maybe in past your person not expressing their feelings to you, but in near future they will, because Four of Pentacles in straight. Definitely they want to express their feelings to you. That's why they're waiting for the right time, because their actions, I'm not seeing any action card, frankly speaking here, because the Hanged Man with Eight of Swords. Yeah, They are undergoing some spiritual and meditation, and they're stuck on you. Literally, they're stuck on you, and they're thinking about you a lot, and they're thinking about your good memories with each other. Queen of Cups, they're nurturing their memories, and they really want to come forward and to offer stability, but they are unable to make a move right now. Still maybe for some your person is scared to come towards you due to past situations had happened between both of you. It could be any reason. That's why they're holding back. Maybe they're feeling stuck. For some your person feels scared, but thinking wise they really want to offer stability and waiting for the right time. And Queen of Cups, but one thing is sure, definitely they have strong emotions towards you. Yeah, they have love for you, and they really want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, Queen of Cups. But in divine timing, what I'm seeing here, Wheel of Fortune is here. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, some awakening is going right now in your person's life. That's why they're taking break. There is no contact situation between both of you because Four of Swords energy is here. Lot of thinking going in your person mind right now. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Six of Cups. Again King of Pentacles and Death. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. Yeah, they scared for some. For some it is partial ending between both of you. One kind of ending what I'm seeing, they're feeling stuck. Maybe they're scared to come towards you because they did something wrong to you. But they really want to offer stability, King of Pentacles, and marriage and reconciliation if you are in separation. So if you are in separation, your person want to offer reconciliation and they want to come back again. And King of Pentacles, if you are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want to marry you. Yeah. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other because Six of Cups is here. Oh gods. Yeah, Chariot. Yeah, neutral energies. Knight of Swords with Three of Wands. Waiting. I already told you divine timing. It's you. You are thinking about them a lot, but guarded up. You also Virgo and Cancer. Chariot. Yeah, you also want to move with this person, to move forward with this person, but you are waiting because Three of Wands. You turn your back from your person. It could be you are your person, but one person turned their back from the person and waiting for other person. Yeah, and again this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but yeah, some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Knight of Swords. They're going to be make their move, but at least some communication you will expect from your person, and you are also guarded up but thinking about them a lot. Yeah, you also want, but you also want some moment in this connection. Right now your person is stuck, but you are not expressing your feelings. You are hiding your emotions, Virgo, what I'm getting here. But still you want, in inner feeling is Cancer, still you want movement in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Knight of Swords. Definitely there will be some communication between both of you near future because mutual card is Knight of Swords. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Virgo. Have faith in your dreams, and another part. Conclusions are within reach. Okay, these are the two messages from Moon Oracle deck. So first card is have faith in your dreams. So if you are doing hard work towards your goals and you are doing it consistently, but you are not seeing any result at, but don't worry, have faith in your dreams. Definitely your dreams will come true. Be consistent and do hard work. Okay, and another card is conclusions are within reach. So if you are having any questions regarding your relationship, regarding your work pressure, whatever maybe, conclusions are within reach. Definitely some answers are coming towards you and conclusions are coming to your questions. Okay, so these are the two messages from Moon Oracle Tech for you, Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.